If you've ever been stuck manually transcribing audio, you know what a tedious and inefficient process it is. Well, there's a much smarter way to handle it. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to use the Brainiest AI Transcription tool. You'll learn how to get high-quality transcriptions more efficiently, and I'll share some of the best practices to help make sure your results are as polished and professional as possible. First, let's get a quick overview. Brainiest AI is a suite of different applets, and the one we're focused on is the transcribe audio. When you upload a file, it doesn't just give you one output. You get a few choices depending on what you need. You can get video captions, a full word-for-word transcription, or a quick summary. Each one is designed for a specific task, whether you're making content, analyzing a meeting, or just trying to grab the key points from a recording. The system is also pretty smart. It automatically detects multiple languages and can even recognize and label up to 10 different speakers. So, let's break down each one of these outputs, starting with the one most content creators will be interested in. The video subtitles or captions feature is incredibly straightforward. You give your recording a title, choose your file format, SRT or VTT, which are standards for nearly every video platform, and then you just upload your file. Once processing is complete, Brainiest AI emails you a link to download your subtitle file. While the accuracy of AI transcription is generally high, you should always plan to do a quick manual review. This is probably the best practice for any AI tool. A clean audio recording without much background noise will always give you the best results here. Now, there is a minor issue with these subtitles being generated. For some reason, on most of the videos I've tested this out on, you'll find these little gaps. Most of the time it places these gaps after a sentence, but sometimes in between words, it sort of makes for an awkward reading. Now, this isn't really a big deal, and it doesn't quite detract from the subtitles themselves, but sometimes it can just be a little bit strange. Hopefully in future updates, they'll get this worked out. Next up is the full transcription feature. This is what you'll use when you need a complete word-for-word text document of your audio file or video. Just like with subtitles, you give it a name and upload your file. But here, you have a very important option, specifying if there are multiple speakers. Now this is really great. You can tell the AI that there are several people speaking, and even specify how many. Up to 10. Brainiest will then process the file and generate a transcript with each speaker clearly labeled, like Speaker 1 and Speaker 2. This is incredibly useful for interviews, team meetings, or focus group recordings. It saves you a massive amount of time on its own. The final output type is summarization, and this is where the tool gets really clever. It doesn't just transcribe the words, it tries to understand the meaning. This feature is perfect for quickly getting the key insights from a long recording without having to listen to the whole thing. For example, you can take a long lecture or a dense business report and distill it down to the most important points. It's a versatile tool that helps you extract value from your audio and video files much more quickly. For summarization, we have two options. summary model, and summary type. For summary model, we have informative, conversational, and catchy. For summary type, we have bullets, bullets verbose. These are longer bullet points. Gist, headline, and paragraph. With all these options, this greatly allows you to customize your own workflow. If you're finding this tutorial helpful and want more guides on AI tools that can save you time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss the next video. So, to wrap it all up, Brainiest AI's Transcribe audio applet offers a versatile set of outputs that can seriously speed up your workflow. Whether you need subtitles for a video, a full transcript of a multi-speaker meeting, or a quick summary of a lengthy recording, it has an option for you. The platform's real strength lies in how it automates tasks like labeling different speakers. And remember that pro tip for subtitles. Always do a quick manual review to make sure there are no issues. It's a small step, I know, but it makes a huge difference in the final quality. Overall, Brainiest AI's Transcribe audio is a fantastic tool for anyone who needs to turn spoken words into useful, well-formatted text efficiently.